In this video, I'll show you how to control your Google account activity. So just open up your Chrome browser. After that, just click on this profile icon at the top right corner and then go to manage your Google account. After that, you have to just click on home option and here you can see my activity option. Just click here and then just go to activity controls and here it is. Now from here you can control or edit your all the Google account activity. Here at the first you can see web and app activity. You can enable or disable it from here. Just click here and you can choose any option as you want. Also if you scroll down and from here you can check or uncheck some options and you can delete your activity from here. Now if you scroll down and here you can find your Google Maps timeline. You can find YouTube history, personalization, ads, and that's it. And you can control or customize any kind of activity as you want. And that is how you can control your Google account activity. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.